Hello investors and traders. Now we're going to look at another video, and as promised we're going to focus on Bitcoin prices because it seems like Bitcoin price has entered in a bear market territory. The definition of a bear market territory is when prices fall 20% from their all-time high. You will usually say that it has entered into a bear market territory, and with Bitcoin it is certainly true. But let's have a little bit more deeper conversation on that and see where those important price levels are. As always, it is important for us to go through this disclaimer. The full risk warning is right in front of you. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask me. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at Bitcoin price, and I'm going to focus on Bloomberg platform because I wanted to show you the percentage drop in terms of a bear market definition. So what you are seeing right over here, this was the high of Bitcoin, which was at 58,350, and now prices have dropped to the low of this one, 45,000. So Bitcoin price has dropped nearly 22% from its high. So it is officially, we can say that the prices are in bear market territory, and currently it is retracing from that 22% to 19%. But I still believe that there is possibility of Bitcoin prices to continue to move to the downside. And then over here we have another MACD sort of a indicator going on over here, which gave us a very early indication right around this point when where the prices were, that there is something going on, and then the prices are about to retrace. So over here that the red line crossed, sorry, the white line crossed below the red line, indicating that the bull momentum is really fading, and it happened over here. But despite that, the prices were still very much in an upward trend, because when we cross above the 50,000 price level over here, prices continue from 50,000 to 60,000. So this particular signal from MACD was completely incorrect. It didn't really indicate to us that yes, the bear market is really going to indicate, is going to come that way. That doesn't really happen at all. And now we are getting the same sort of an indication again, because usually when the red line is above the white line, it indicates that the sell-off is going to happen, just like over here that the sell-off really happened. Bitcoin prices retraced from 39,000 to all the way to 30,000. Now prices are literally on a verge of collapsing 20,000 from its all-time high, and that is quite a lot of in terms of a retracement for Bitcoin. Now let's go back to our MT4 platform and then see what really is in stock in terms of a Bitcoin price. So once again, I'm going to pick up things where we left off yesterday, and on a 4-hour time frame we have three different moving averages: 50, 100 and 200. As discussed yesterday, the price bounced from its 50 100-day simple moving average. Today the price challenged that again and then moved below it. The price has really entered into this particular area of support. It is right confined by this consolidation area, which happened right over here, and the price entered into this area over here, and now it has bounced back up. But it seems like that the new support zone is going to be perhaps near 40 to 41,000 price level. So that is going to be just on top of this particular resistance, the previous resistance, which was taken out by the price over here. And then we are going to encompass the 200-day simple moving average in around that one. So this is going to be our support area number one over here, and this is going to be our support area number two. We certainly do not want Bitcoin prices crossing below the 40,000 price level, because that would be highly bearish in terms of a Bitcoin price. If we focus on the RSI, which indicates that the prices are without any shadow of a doubt are oversold, because RSI has reached the 30 mark, and but there is an indication, there is a possibility that the prices can continue their journey towards the downside. So what can you really do now in terms of investors who are a bit more risk averse, who don't want it to take too much of a risky position? What they can do is they can wait for the prices to come and challenge the 50-day simple moving average on a 30-minute time frame. The moment price cross above the 30-minute time frame, 50-day simple moving average on a 30-minute time frame, you can take the trade. The only downside under those circumstances really is that you will miss all of this particular move. So you are going to miss that. But the upside is under those circumstances that you will have an assurity, because the moment the price crosses above the 50-day simple moving average over here, the prices are likely to continue their journey from there onwards to the upside. So, we are going to see more bullish candles from here the moment that the price will cross above that, because the next challenge is going to be 100 and then your 200-day simple moving average. So that is the most safest trade in relation to that. So let's continue to monitor the situation, and we will discuss further in a later videos. That's all for now. See you guys later on.